Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen dimming in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. First of all, if you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then check your dark mode, and if you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. So press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.